Today, a collaboration between Jimmy at Infamous and Note'd Eliquid, I bring you number 2, the Bluebird, an e-liquid distributed by the Apothecar-E Distribution and Giant Vapes. First impressions, I smell buttery, creamy, and sweet notes. Today I'm going to be using a UL crown tank with a 0.3 ohm coil. There we go. On the inhale, I taste what I would suspect as a slight hint of sweetened mixed fruit with a buttery cream. On the exhale, more of a creamy texture with the sweetness of honey to round it up. I mean, it's a wonderful vape to say the least. So unique and lovely. So there you have it, guys. Number 2, the Bluebird by Note'd Eliquid. Pick up a 30 ml today stateside at the Giant Vape site today. Oh yeah, here we go.